Hey, what's up? This is the Nurie Creator how-to video. There's a lot to cover with Nurie Creator. In this video, I just want to talk about the basic initial feature, and that is, well, the creation of coloring book pages. Okay. Now, as you know, Nurie Creator, there's a whole enchilada, right? It creates your coloring book pages. It formats them. It puts all the pages together. It creates your book cover. Does it all. You can even create like a queue. You can actually have the Nudie creator create the coloring book pages for you and send you an email to let you know the pages are ready so that you can compile them, format them, and all that. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's just use this software the easy way. Let's put in, for example, stained glass and I don't know, a gnome. We've got gnome there. If I want to use some advanced features, I can let me add the advanced features with background. Yes, I want to use Nano banana. Let's keep it 8.5 by 8.5, and let's do 4 per set. And let's click generate 4 images. Okay, now it's going to take its time, and once it's done, it should take around 30 seconds per image to create. So that's every image is 30 seconds. Let's take a little small break. I'll be right back once it's done. Okay, so here we go. We got our 4 stained glass gnomes. Now they're all perfect, pristine. Now this one here is a little darker than the other ones. So I wouldn't use this one right here. I'd use these 3, not because this one's not not because this one's bad or anything, because the lines are a little thicker than the other 3. So I picked these 3. But that's just one of our AI engines. I want to go with Flux2. Okay, Flux2. Let's go with Flux2. And let's click, instead of gnome, let's go with cow. Let's go with cow. Okay. And click generate 4 images. Okay. And let's see what's produced with cow and stained glass. So here we are with Flux2 results. Again, very good. Amazing work here. The last cow here, we're waiting on this cow. And here we go with the cow. Again, great, beautiful, all high definition. By the way, everything that we create or that you get on our end, on Nudie Creator, everything is optimized. Okay, everything is expanded on, and we remove any grayscale whatsoever to make sure everything is perfect for your coloring book. Now let's try another of these AI engines over here. Let's go with what is that? Seedream. Let's go to Seedream. And this time, let's change up the art style. Let's go with um, pop art or steampunk, and let's put cowboy, and let's see what it produces. Okay, let's go click generate 4 images, and let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go with our steampunk cowboy, looking good. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, really cool stuff. We can actually darken the lines. We can get a large preview if we want. How about this one here? Very nice. Look at that. Look at that detail. The background, stellar stuff. Okay, so this is how you use the front end of Nudie Creator. When I mean the front end is the basic functionality on what it does, but Nudie Creator does so much more. Like I said, it compiles your pages. It sets it up as a book. It puts text under your coloring book pages to increase its value, so that not only are they coloring the pages, but they can actually color the text. You can name your characters. You can name the scenes. You can even tell a simple like story with these texts. It's really good stuff. But again, I'm going ahead of myself. Here's some other options I want to talk about here. Again, line thickness. You can change it up between thin, medium, thick, extra thick. We have very important KDP print size. 8.5 by 11 is another popular one, or what I just use, 8.5 by 8.5. Good stuff, very easy to use. And again, I'm going to break down this tool video by video. So make sure you subscribe to watch more of these videos. Now, the one of my favorite features is the queue feature, right? This is like an agent. You tell it what to do. You say, I'm giving you a preview of the next video. I want, I don't know, 50, I don't know, Cowboy steampunk coloring book pages. And then you put that order in. And you could close your computer. It's going to go off and do its job. And it's going to send you an email once the job is done. Then you can pick what you like best. And then you move on and compile your book with Nurie Create, excuse me. Anyways, great stuff. We'll talk about that in the next video. See you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want this tool, just go to nudicreator.com or go to royaltyprints.co/NC for you. Okay? That's another way to get it. Anyways, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.